Hi guys, welcome to my channel Big Red Gacha. Today me and how to and family how to train your dragons. Let's go.
I felt this pan through the screen.
I still remember that moment, when you knocked out one of my teeth.
Hola! Toothless is very good at dancing. Even I'm surprised by this.
Remember me?
Retractable teeth. No. Toothless, stop, please wait. Toothless, please.
Girl, what the fuck?
Right, bud?
Girl, what the fuck?
Facial hair!
Dragon. That's hardcore. Well, what is it, bud? Is it the other dragons? Come listen, my young dragon friend, and I will tell a tale of days when But remember, you wanted this.
If you need a beard to cry on, just lean on my shoulder and you can cry into my full, thick beard.
Oh, thank you, Toughnut, thank you.
We're excited about making a traditional dragon feast. And then it hit me. There was a time not long ago when wars we bravely fought now carries us to battle against our threat across the sea.